Look up at the night sky. What do you see? A quiet tapestry of darkness, sprinkled with a few thousand distant pinpricks of light. It's peaceful. It's predictable. But what if we hit the fast-forward button on cosmic relocation? What if we ripped our solar system from its quiet suburban neighborhood and dropped it right into the chaotic, blazing downtown of the Milky Way? Right now, Earth sits comfortably in the Orion Spur, about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. Out here, things are calm. Our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That vast emptiness is a cosmic moat, protecting us from the brutal realities of the universe. It's the perfect, safe incubator for life. But the center of our galaxy, near the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A star, is an entirely different beast. It's a crowded, violent, and unimaginably energetic environment. If we suddenly woke up there tomorrow, the very concept of day and night would instantly cease to exist. The first thing you'd notice is the sky. It wouldn't be black. It would be a blazing canopy of light. The stellar density near the galactic center is about 1,000,000 times greater than it is in our neighborhood. The night sky would be dominated by millions of stars, some appearing as bright as the full moon. You could easily read a book at midnight just from the starlight. In fact, true darkness would be a forgotten myth. The combined glow of these neighboring suns would cast sharp, multicolored shadows across the ground. But this endless daylight would utterly destroy the circadian rhythms of every living creature on Earth. And these stars wouldn't just be distant twinkles, they'd be aggressively close. Instead of our nearest neighbor being light years away, we would have massive stars passing within mere light weeks of our sun. It would look like a grand, terrifying cosmic dance right outside our window. But that beauty comes with a deadly gravitational price. Our solar system is surrounded by the Oort Cloud, a massive shell of icy debris. In our quiet suburb, it's stable. But in the crowded galactic core, the gravity of thousands of passing stars would act like a bowling ball crashing through pins. The Oort Cloud would be completely destabilized. Billions of comets and asteroids would be hurled directly toward the inner solar system. Earth would find itself in a cosmic shooting gallery. We wouldn't be facing an extinction-level impact once every few million years. We'd be facing them constantly. The sky would be streaked with the fiery trails of incoming doom. Even if we somehow dodged the rocks, the radiation would fry us. Massive stars live fast and die young, exploding as supernovas. In the galactic center, a supernova goes off practically every other day in cosmic terms. We would be constantly bathed in intense bursts of X-rays and gamma rays. Earth's magnetic field is strong, but it's not built for this kind of onslaught. The relentless bombardment of cosmic radiation and stellar winds from densely packed giant stars would slowly but surely strip away our ozone layer, and eventually our entire atmosphere. The oceans would boil away into space. And then there is the monster in the room, Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole at the heart of it all. Packing the mass of 4 million suns, it would loom like a dark, terrifying eye in the vibrant sky, surrounded by a swirling, glowing halo of superheated gas. As the black hole feeds an interstellar gas and shredded stars, its accretion disk spins at nearly the speed of light. This friction generates flares of energy so bright they would outshine the millions of stars around us. If a jet of plasma from this disk happened to sweep over Earth, it would instantly incinerate everything. If we drifted just a little too close to the black hole, the tidal forces would become unbearable. The gravitational pull on the side of Earth facing the black hole would be immensely stronger than on the far side. Earthquakes would rip the crust apart, and supervolcanoes would erupt simultaneously. Ultimately, a front-row seat to the galactic center is a death sentence. The overwhelming heat, the blinding radiation, the gravitational bullying, and the constant threat of comets and supernovas make it a thoroughly hostile environment. It is arguably the most beautiful place in the galaxy, but it is completely sterile. So the next time you step outside into the quiet, dark night, appreciate the emptiness. Appreciate the boring, sparse, lonely patch of space we call home. Because in a universe full of spectacular violence and chaotic energy, our little pocket of nothingness is the greatest luxury we could ever ask for.